I'm Mackenzie Leeds-Jones. I'm the Programming Coordinator for the Tulsa Regional STEM Alliance. Today we're going to learn how to identify some seeds using a dichotomous key.
Your seed collection may look a little different than mine, but we'll do the same steps. First, we'll sort our seeds. So we'll put all the seeds that look alike in one side of our paper or our plate, or however we're sorting our seeds. And then we'll put the others in a different part. And there we go. We have our seeds separated. Now we'll look at our dichotomous key. This will help us identify these types of seeds based on their texture, their size, their color, and some other traits.
So I've pulled one seed over here, so I'm going to take
my measuring tape. Again, you can use a ruler if you'd like. And I'll just start at the little 3 centimeter mark. And it looks like the length of this is about 1/2 centimeter, but when I look at the diameter, it's much smaller than that. So I would say that this seed does not have a diameter that's about 1/2 centimeter. We'll check our other seed as well. And again, the diameter of that seems much smaller than 1/2 centimeter. So we'll answer that they are less, and so we'll go to step 2B. Step 2B says, are the seeds light or dark brown, black or white in color? So these seeds I would definitely say are dark brown, and I would say that these are pretty light. So we'll say yes to that question, and we will go to step 3. Are the seeds round but rough around the edges? These are round, but they're definitely smooth, and these are not round at all. So the next part of that would be, are the seeds free of spikes or sharp edges? I would say yes. These have a little bit of a sharp edge, but they're not spiky, and these are definitely round. So here's where we're going to split a little bit. Are the seeds round? These seeds are round. These are flat or almost flat. So we'll continue with these round seeds first. So according to the dichotomous key, we're going to question 5. Are the seeds smooth? I would say, yes, they are. And so when we continue that, we move to 7A on the dichotomous key. Do the seeds come in multiple shades of the same color? I would say so. We have some darker ones, we have some lighter ones. So now we'll move to step 9. And then it says, are the seeds of light brown or almost red? No, I would say these are definitely darker brown, almost black. So we'll move to 10, and it says, are the seeds 1/10 of an inch or larger? So we'll bring back our little guy, and we see there's a few. So that's about 1/10 of an inch. I would say it is that size. So these are probably kale seeds. Now we'll go back to where we left off with these guys. The last question we looked at were, are the seeds flat or almost flat? Yes, they sure are. So now we'll go to question 6. Do the seeds come in black and white varieties? So you can see a little bit, these all look pretty light, but when you look inside, there's definitely some that are quite darker. I would say that they do come in black and white, and the dichotomous key is telling me that these are lettuce.